What's cracking, guys? Welcome to episode 26 of the Honda Recap. This weekend was IBOC 2018 in Fontana, and I know there's some good videos coming out this week, but let's talk about last week. Roll the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? How you doing? Welcome back to another episode of the Honda Recap. Thanks for tuning in yet again another week. If this is your first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified every Monday night at 8 p.m. when this airs. If this is your first episode, basically what I'm trying to do is get everything that's going on in the YouTube universe and bring it into one cohesive episode one time a week, and that is Monday night at 8 o'clock. Thank you for tuning in yet again. I want to go ahead and just kick this off very quickly by saying that this week was IBOC 2018 and I was there. It was amazing and I met a lot of cool people out there. Some of you recognize me. That was a blast to find out. I also ran into a bunch of cool YouTubers that are out there too, like Dana, YoungStatic, Chris Sadowski, Daniel from DeadBeat Garage, and many, many more. I even hung out with Aaron and Frank Downstar. Those guys are out there having a blast in the heat. I'm not gonna lie, it was super hot, guys. I don't know how you guys made it. It was just super hot and I can handle heat. Woo! Anyways, let's kick this off with Bluecollar Vtec. This guy has been building his motor for quite some time now, and in his latest video, he's getting everything prepared for a B20 Vtec. If you look at the last video, he's definitely got the head on the block and he's on the road to getting it in the car. He's done a lot of stuff to that car, so definitely check out that guy's channel to see what's coming up next. Following that, we got another B20 Vtec build on the way, and that is Bravis over at DeadBeat Garage. In his latest video, he took it to a machine shop to get his B20 inspected, what he's actually going to do, and his biggest decision was whether or not he wanted to go 84 or 84.5 millimeter pistons. Definitely check out his latest video to see what exactly he chose, but I gotta say, I'm really excited to see these two channels that I just talked about building B20 Vtecs for their cars. It's gonna be awesome to see, and man, they're on pace to getting done very quickly. Following that, I got Mr. Chris Sadowski. This guy got his K20A2 in his DA, swapped and ready to go. I actually did see it running this weekend at IBOC, so look out for a video coming out soon, hopefully tomorrow, from me and Chris, seeing what that was like, driving it out there to California in the hot, hot heat. But I'm really excited to see that you got the motor in your car, man. It looked amazing. Definitely check out his latest video where he kind of goes over everything that went into the build. All right, up next we got Huntertuned. This guy is having a blast. Wisconsin is starting to warm up. He's hitting the track weekend after weekend, and man, I can't be more excited. I can't wait for you to hit 10s. You're getting super, super close. He's out there, he's running the track, and he's starting to slowly break things that, you know, you're gonna break in the beginning seasons, but he's getting them knocked out already. Definitely check out that last video. All right, back at it, we got HondaPro Jason. If you want to see an amazing NSX, this is going to be the video for you. He actually did a video with the very first new NSX to hit the market. I believe it's $1.2 million with everything that this car has. The badge on the NSX is literally 000000001. It is the first one. He actually got to see it. Go check out the video, guys. If you want to see any footage on the new NSX, HondaProJason's got you covered. Following that, we got MT Garage. They've been doing major work on their EFHatch, and they got it to the track. I'm really happy to say that the progress is being had. Another place that is basically covered in snow but is now starting to thaw out. I'm really happy that the Frankenstein EK is on the road and you're gonna hit the track very, very soon, man. Man, I've been watching your channel for a minute. You guys are hustling out there. Good for you. Speaking of hustling, we got YoungStatic, another guy that I actually saw this weekend. He got it to run less than a week ago. It was not even a rolling shell. It was literally just a gutted shell. Then he got the interior in, the motor in, he got it turboed, and he drove, as of last count, over 1,000 miles down to SoCal and back without a hiccup. That is a testament to how thorough you are, how quickly you work, and how much you don't sleep. Man, that is insane. Super juiced to meet up with you. I'm glad the car made it. It's looking amazing. If you want to see everything that went into creating his wagon, his K20 swapped wagon, it is awesome to go check out. Everybody should go do it. Speaking of motor swaps, we got number 6, maybe number 7, I'm not sure. But Zosh did get a new engine. Christina is coming apart, and it's gonna be awesome. If you watched one of his latest videos, he is getting another block built by somebody so he can actually put down a little bit more power, possibly more reliable. But until then, Christina will be getting its 6th or 7th new heart. Also, Zosh picked up a new daily. Definitely want to check that out. It's awesome. Following that, we got Steven Ocasio. He's got a very generous subscriber hooking him up with an awesome turbo. I can't I can't even express to you how crazy that would feel if that was me. So I know I can tell through the video how excited he was too. But with that said, this week he's basically doing a little maintenance. He's been to a lot of shows lately with his car since it got painted. So it's good to see you out there cleaning things up and kind of fixing things as they go, because I know you drive it a lot and you want to stay on top of it, man. Keep up the videos. I love everyone. All right, next up we got Shades Wade. I've been talking to this guy on the side, and he's had tons of parts on the side getting ready to get put on his car. New mount, slave cylinder, clutch, anything you can think of for the engine to actually tighten this up. Shades is actually one of those guys that has had his RSX for 13 or 14 years, and he's just been putting miles after miles on it. And you know what? That motor has been doing him well, and so he's trying to give back with a new clutch, slave cylinder, and a bunch of other stuff. Definitely check out his videos. I think he's getting it back soon. I can't wait for the reaction videos, man, of getting your car back. I'm sure it's gonna feel like a brand new car. All right, following that, we got SP Tuning out there in Florida. These guys are trying to hit 9s and they're on their way. I'm super excited. Every time you guys put up a video, you're out there at the drag strip, you and Huntertuned, always with the laptop after the passes. It's so awesome to see. But I'm really glad to see La Fea. Your car is just doing it awesome, going out there, trying to hit 9s. It's a great achievement after your 6 or 7 video of how to actually build your motor. Super stoked to see all that work coming together and you hitting the strip. It's gonna be awesome when you hit those numbers, dude. All right, like usual, guys, I wanted to throw out some new channels that I haven't really talked about in the past. And first off, we got RyanEFHatch. This is actually a new channel I just found myself, but you know it's always awesome when I find new channels and I look in the comments and I see a bunch of people that I've already known. This guy hasn't posted in quite some time, but he's trying to do a lot more now. I believe he's got a D2B all-wheel drive hatch. It's amazing. In the video, he kind of goes over a lot of the stuff that he's had to deal with, where he's been, and doing some awesome pull videos. It is a sight to see. It's so sick to basically just see an all-wheel drive hatch just ripping it. Man, it's awesome. I hope you post a lot more videos. I feel bad that I just found your channel, but hopefully, man, you keep posting and I can follow along more. I got a couple more videos to catch up on, dude, but I love your build. All right, last but not least, I wanted to throw this guy out there. He actually hit me up on Instagram to kind of help him kind of get things situated and things like that, but I'm really happy to see that he's starting his channel, and that is TheDeafGuy EG9.
Back booster, I need that. Mattress in there, I need that. I'll probably go with GSR, since I'm going a rear disc conversion.
This is definitely a channel I wanted to throw out there. I want his channel to grow, and I really love what he's trying to do. If you follow the channel and you watch the first episode, you do know that he's deaf, but he is really good at what he does. He's got a beautiful EG with a K-swap in it, and he basically wants to empower the deaf community to actually go out there and make videos and show that, you know what, they can do that too. I really love the fact that he wants to push the community that he's in. He's got tons of knowledge. He did all the work himself. I actually did meet him this weekend at IBOC. He's a super cool guy, and like I said, I really want to see his channel grow. I love his energy. I love what he's trying to do, and you know what? I'm all for anybody trying to empower a community to be better and to basically push forward. So definitely check out this guy's channel. Hit him up on Instagram. I'll have everything listed below. He's a really cool guy. That's it for this week of the Honda Recap. I wanted to go over everything that's kind of happened. I can't wait to see everything that's going on this weekend. A lot of IBOC footage. I saw a lot of people out there, so I'm really hoping that this week we get to see a lot of cool stuff out there. But like I said, I'll see you guys next week. Definitely check out the website. Pick yourself up a shirt, HondaVlogs.com/shop, and I will check you guys out next week. Peace.